Hey guys, this is Sandy123 and welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe and comment and keep supporting my channel. It helps me a lot. Today I'm going to be reacting to BTS Film Out official MV. Yeah, it's finally out. So let's start the reaction without further ado. The thumbnail. We are going to see the new logo of Big Hit also. Now it's hide. So let's start this. Okay, the new logo. Okay, Big Hit Music. I'm kind of missing those three dots and coming like that. Okay, but okay, this is also good. Jungkook. Okay, your imagination. Okay. The lyrics are like you are in my imagination. You are so vivid. Like he couldn't visualize it. It's so clear, and look at the background, man. It's clear too. Like okay, it's going to be pretty great. I can just the voice, man. JK. As if you are right there. I mean, he can visualize it as if that person is actually there. Okay. Jimin's voice, oh my god. And you suddenly disappear, okay. That is so, sad that he can visualize that person, but that memory is going away. It's disappearing. Okay, that's really sad actually. Okay, it's gonna be a sad song. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, that line. From all memories that's stored in my heart. In his heart, huh? The memories are stored in his heart. It's close to his heart, okay. And the voice, did you hear the vocal? Up and down. Oh my god, JK. I thought it was going to give fake love vibes, but it is actually giving me spring day vibes. I gather up the ones of you and link them together. He has so many memories of that person, and he, from his heart, he can heartfelt memories, and he's gathering it up and linking it together so he can visualize it like a film. So it's film out. Okay, nice. Look at blonde JK. Okay, I will not. I just love it when they color their hair blonde. Okay. Okay, gazing them together like it's a projector. I mean, they can see it like that. The memories, he can see it. Okay, I feel you with every burst of pain. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my. Okay. Okay. Though he can see it, he can feel that person with a burst of pain. Okay, that person is not there or something, maybe. Whenever they do a Japanese album, their voices are just, it's for that only. The way they sing the song, it's heartfelt. It touches your heart. Their voices are so soulful. It's just okay. Okay. The best, one of the best, la 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 la. Okay, this, the way they're, that other people are sitting in that room, I think it's the memory of this person who is going towards them. I think it's Jin, yeah, and he's going to that place, and that la 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 going, like going inside a memory or something. Okay, see, let's see more. Okay. Oh my god. Wow, they are actually frozen. This is a memory. Okay, they're actually frozen. This is a memory. Like, look at them. They're just, only Namjoon is also standing there. Maybe he's going to move and it's going to be his part. Maybe. Look at that visualizing, man. It's like a. That's what they said. The memories. They can see it. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. decay too far gone, absorbing no light or water. Okay. Namjoon's part are always so deep, man. Did you hear Jungkook's in the back? He's singing. Okay. It's so good, man. Sealing my wounded heart with a rootless, sleepless wow. Okay. He's sealing that heart. He is heartbroken, maybe. Heart with a rootless, leafless wow. I mean, he's helpless. I think that's what they're saying. Look, Sif, only he is the one who is moving and singing, and other people are frozen. That's the memory. Okay. Two glasses placed side by side their role. Okay. So he's talking about himself and that person. Right. Look at them in the background having a good time, and he's singing soulfully in the hair. Never fulfilled. Okay, the in the background in which they echoed, the voices echoed. Okay, never fulfilled. Just as they were. So the glasses are not full. He's saying, and all their problems, and it's not fulfilled. Their destiny. He's saying maybe just as they were. It's the same. Okay, in his memories, maybe. Since you last touched them. Okay. Okay, it's still as it was, or everything he has done, everything in his heart is the same as it was. The other person is gone, but that place in his heart is the same for him. It's like that. Okay, from all the memories stored in my heart, I think Jin is gonna start. Okay, so it's again. Oh God. Is it a chorus or is his voice is just echoing like that? I gather up the ones of you and link them together again. Now Namjoon has joined them, and everybody is actually moving inside that memory. And Jin is the one who's narrating now. Okay. Make the MV is incredible. Look at the back. So it's like a projector is there, and he can visualize it. The other scene in the back is actually the visualization of that memory, maybe. Yeah, that's what it is. They're having a good time together. Okay. Oh my God. Gazing at them, right? See, maybe that hourglass was like the time has stopped in that, the memory, and then when it started going down, the memory started playing, and all of that he can visualize it, something like that. Okay, I feel you with every burst of pain again. Okay, Jin's part. Okay, everything doesn't have to be right. Okay, just wanted you to stay the way you are. So he wanted him to stay, the other person. He didn't want it to be totally roses and good memories. He said, just stay with that person. Okay, that is desperation in a way. Okay, to cling to that memory. Kind-hearted, always smiling. He wanted the things to stay the same, which is normally the status quo, which people do want to happen, but it doesn't happen. Everything changes. Okay. So bro, I knew there were two people. I think J-Hope is going to be at the back. Look at that. There is a mirror though right now. Kind-hearted also. I knew it. There's J-Hope sitting there. Look at that. Visualizing the two parts of the same coin kind of thing, which, oh my God. So okay, if tears can be measured, it took this long, but if tears can be measured, okay, that is okay. Took this long. I barely made it by your side. Okay, so okay, that. Whoa, okay. I guess this is the really good part, both J-Hope and Sugar's part. And now he's barely there. He's trying so hard to make it stay the same. And then JK's part. Okay, then JK's part. And found you. So the hourglass thing went down and the sand went down, and then from all memories stored again, and that is Taeyang's voice, man. And what is this fire and papers? And I think that is the memories which was clinging to his heart is going shredded, and fire is there so that it can disappear or something. Maybe. Let me see. Taeyang's voice. Oh God. Again, there's another one again with that. This is the main part which is repeated again, and this is the Taeyang's voice is, oh my God. I love this part in Taeyang's voice. My God, this guy has bias at me in this. Oh God. Wow. I said it so fast, and then Jimin came as like gazing at them projected across the room, and the smile on his face. The contradiction of this song, man. Can you hear the vocals of Jimin? My he did it with that. Oh. Okay, I fall asleep with you vivid in my arms. Okay, it's like his memory is still in his arms. He can still feel it, that person. And I love this red light and the fire. And this is Jin. He is such a great actor. You can feel it. Like he's trying to gather up the memories, but it's just disappearing in front of his eyes. Look at it. I fall asleep with you are vivid in my arms again, and then the vocals of Jimin, it's actually exploding just like in the words you whisper, the resonance. Okay, what is this? Why are there so many doors? Does that represent something? Is it the memories he is trying to find? Maybe there are so many doors he can find it. It has disappeared or something. Maybe. I don't know. I'm just guessing, theorizing. Okay, wandered aimlessly across the room, around the room. Okay, and there was a scene in which there was a mirror, and they were both gazing at that. And maybe they cannot see each other or something. Maybe it's like that. And then again with the door. That mirror can also be seen as a door. I don't know. Got them standing together, and okay, they chose this scene at that time. Okay, maybe he's seeing that all 7 of them his memories. Fragrance that I smell, the warmth that I feel. I just love this scene where they both are stand in front of each other and doing that with the mirror. I'm just okay. This is so good, man. And Jimin's voice is just crazy in the back. As long as it lasts, as long as it lasts. Okay, that he's clinging to the memory as long as he can. Whoa. Wow. Again, you are in my imagination, and they are doing a chorus now, and JK is in the back, and Jin is going to, I think this is the climax of the song again. Oh, look at him walk. I can hear footsteps. They always put such sounds which is so clear and vivid. It is imaginative. Even if you listen to just the song, you can hear the footsteps. You can visualize that whole of it after seeing it once. This is pretty great, the way they portray everything. Are so vivid again. Okay. Love the piano keys which they used in the whole song, man. Okay, this is so classic. Okay, so Jin was also going towards Taeyang. Okay, and the Taeyang's voice is just making me want to hear him again. Oh God. But I reach out my hand and you suddenly disappear. So we don't see Jin anymore. Okay, let's stay young. Okay. Okay, then alright. At the end they used the guitar. Okay, but here I think the camera is going to go back towards the darkness, maybe. Yeah, I was right. There's no darkness though. Okay. Same way they do the circle. Okay, they see that. He's still standing there, and I think his hand was like that. He's trying to hold that memory, but it disappeared. So, okay, this was so good, and it was totally worth it. And I loved this Japanese song of Signal, and my god, oh god, this is. I'm going to stream it again later. So this is so good. The whole they did, they made a film. They actually made a film. They always do that storyline thing, which is so good here. My god. Okay. So I love this really. So if you like my reaction to this, please click on like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments, any suggestions, you can put it on the comment section. With